Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Pocket Option affiliate program easily. So step 1, log into your Pocket Option affiliate dashboard, and then step 2, navigate to the payout and choose your preferred payout method such as bank transfer, crypto, or e-wallet. Step 3, if this is your first time, you can add and verify your payout details or account or wallet information. Step 4, enter the amount to withdraw and confirm the affiliate balance is sufficient for your withdrawals. Step 5. Submit the withdrawal request and confirm via the 2FA or email link. Step 6. Funds should arrive within 1 to 5 business days depending on the method that you used. And now, your affiliate earnings are on their way from your pocket option. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.